Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your org in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to connect your environment with your Trailhead, you will need just to go to your Trailhead account. So basically, access your trailhead.salesforce.com and after that, we will be able to connect our organization. So from here, you will find your profile picture. Then we can see this hands-on organization. So basically, I already have a one playground that I have already used, and either you can start creating playgrounds by clicking on click create a playground, or you can simply connect an organization, which what we are interested in. So simply we click on connect org, and after that it will take us to the page where we will be able to connect our organization. So from here, you will need just to add your username and your password of your organization that you are using. So here I'm just going to connect, and after that it will uh, ask me to allow the access, and of course I'm going to allow access. So by clicking on allow, I will be able to connect to this org. And of course, you will need to have a developer edition organization or a developer environment. So you will need just to click again or just choose your developer environment and you will have the same steps, and you will need just to add your username, the password for your environment, and after that you will be able to successfully connect your organization with your Trailhead account. After that, you will be able to start uh, trying or learning or passing your learnings and trails, etc. on the trail. So simply be that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.